Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn profile documents using Dropbox Passwords. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Log into your LinkedIn account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the homepage. Scroll down to the featured section where your documents are likely stored. If you haven't yet uploaded any documents, click on the Add button to upload your files. Select the documents you wish to back up directly from your computer. After uploading, make sure the documents are visible in your featured section. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log into your Dropbox account or create one if you don't have it yet. Now, navigate to the folder where you want to store your LinkedIn documents. Click the Upload button within Dropbox and select the documents you just uploaded to LinkedIn. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, ensure that the files appear in your Dropbox folder. Next, open the Dropbox Passwords app if you have it installed. In Dropbox Passwords, create a new entry for each LinkedIn document. For each entry, add the title of the document and attach the file from your Dropbox. Make sure to include any relevant notes that will help you remember the purpose of each document. After adding all documents, review your entries to confirm accuracy. Finally, log out of both LinkedIn and Dropbox to secure your accounts. You've now successfully backed up your LinkedIn profile documents using Dropbox Passwords. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.